questions about who's next in line to get the coronavirus vaccine in Florida. It's the only state in the U.S. that hasn't released documented plans detailing which groups will get priority when more doses become available. Governor DeSantis said again today law enforcement and teachers over 50 will be able to get vaccinated at federal sites when they open next month. But as News4Jax reporter Kelly Wiley reports, the governor's office still has not released when more groups can be vaccinated at state clinics. Kelly is joining us live.
Well, today, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis doubled down on the state's plan to continue vaccinating seniors. He said his administration will continue to vaccinate thousands more who are 65 and older before moving on to the next priority group.
So we're going to do it based on the facts and circumstances on the ground, based on vaccine availability, and based on progress getting through the 65 and plus population.
Since December, the Kaiser Family Foundation has tracked the groups that states have allowed to get the vaccine. According to KFF data, Florida is the only state that hasn't released documented plans on who will be in the next priority group, Phase 1B. Although the governor has not released official plans detailing who can get the vaccine next, Tuesday and today, Governor DeSantis said federal sites in Florida set to open next month will also be able to vaccinate law enforcement and classroom teachers who were over 50. It's a step away from healthcare workers and people over 65 who are the only current groups able to be vaccinated at state sites in Florida. Jen Cates with the Kaiser Family Foundation says it's the first sign of Florida starting to expand who is eligible for the vaccine.
Just what we've seen is that there's a lot of demand out there and anxiety among different populations wanting to know when they're next and how long they might need to wait. So part of this is just alerting the public about the plan. And thus far, Florida is the only state that had not laid that out yet, but maybe today was the first inkling of that.
Since December 20th, the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices has recommended states deem non-healthcare essential workers to be eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine next. And after that group, those 16 or older with high-risk medical conditions. 3 states have followed that recommendation, and 47 have created policies that vary from the federal recommendation. Governor DeSantis says his administration will move on once they're satisfied with the number of seniors vaccinated.
Once we get to the point of the senior population where we start to see the demand go down, then we obviously are going to lower the age.
And still not included in the priority group that can be vaccinated at state or federal clinics are those with pre-existing health conditions. Governor DeSantis has said before he wants hospitals and people and physicians to be the ones to designate who that has high risk pre-existing conditions qualify for the vaccine. But if those people went to a state site or a federal site at this point right now, they would not be able to get the vaccine. Reporting live in Jacksonville, Kelly Wiley, Channel 4, the local station.